today we're at the Museum of Science in Boston, Massachusetts with our sponsor, the National Grid. So we're super excited about today's STEM Fest because in addition to the stations that we brought and all the hands-on activities and hopefully all the new families and kids that are coming to the museum for the first time, we have biology stations, we have chemistry stations, get to experience all the STEM exhibits and all the science, everything that they have in this museum. This museum is remarkable. It's absolutely amazing. It's fun for adults and kids, and there's so many different STEM applications. They also have AI stations. They have a whole robotics room. They have paleontology. They have a planetarium. So lots of different of the things that we try to bring to the community. The kids can come here today and do hands-on experiences with us, and then also see the way that this incredible museum presents those same topics and those same activations so that kids can get the best of both worlds. We have all of our circuits, we have cranes, we have remote control cars, we have the makerspace where you can make and build your own car to race. So lots and lots of stations, lots of things to do, and then this fabulous museum that you can take advantage of. The other great thing about doing this in partnership with the National Grid is all the families and students that came here for our STEM Fest can enjoy the museum the whole day till they close at 5 o'clock.
Something great.
The Museum of Science's mission is to inspire a lifelong love of science for everyone, and we really want to make sure that we are accessible to as many people as we possibly can here at the museum. And being able to be the convener that can bring different the public, government, academia, and industry partners together is incredibly important to us. So partnering with individuals like STEM Nola and National Grid to have the most fun, up-to-date, awe, and wonder of science together in one place is really important to us.
Yeah. So if I push this really gently here, it's only gonna bounce back gently, right? But if I push it back really hard, it's gonna push back harder. So what am I changing, and then what's happening as a...
Here? Yes, the kids are finding fossils here. They're practicing paleontology, archaeology, and they're using shovels and strainers and buckets to try to match fossils to the fossil cards that we have for them right here.
Because from you holding that, it's going through our bodies.
National Grid is proud to partner with STEM Global Action to bring a STEM Fest to the Museum of Science today so that kids have the opportunity to see themselves in STEM through the different activities that are presented and executed here today through STEM Global Action. So to ignite and inspire curious minds to develop our future workforce is what we do at National Grid.
No way!
I was so excited when you shot me.